Hello and welcome back, guys. Let's continue here where we ended in a previous tutorial. If you remember correctly, we end up on showing overview what should cover. So now we are going to continue. So now what I can do here, it is, let me opening Sublime Text, which it is a text editor. This also don't worry about this folder. This folder we deposit on here description so that you can watch out a source code I will provide in the description. So you can click and get that. So first file I'm being showing the overview that was being covered in a previous tutorial. What you should learn, and the folder number 2 it is empty, as you can see here. Also this I'm going to showing later on. So I'm going to open in a browser this folder right here. You can click and open in a browser. That is the one way. So it say Mozilla Firefox web. As you can see, it is empty. Another way to achieve that, you can go direct to the folder. So let me open. It is on a desktop on a JavaScript here. Go to the file, right click open with, and choose what is your browser you want to use. Mine it is only Firefox. I can click that. So you can choose which one it is easy to access that folder. As you can see, it is empty, nothing else here. First, in order to, before moving further, I want to talk to you to know what is JavaScript, what is, and how it works. So a JavaScript, it is most popular programming language. So most of the front-end developer, they knowing the JavaScript because it is a programming language that we should interact in here. A client should interact in a web browser. Also, JavaScript is the programming language of the web page. So a JavaScript, like I said, a user can interact in a web page. For example, let me go with the example in order to understanding what I'm talking about. So now I'm in a web browser. Okay. So I'm going to this project right here that I'm already created before. So as you can see, the image is being moving around. So like it look like a slideshow. That work here is not HTML or CSS, but it is a JavaScript. So JavaScript is interacting a web page like you see here. So let me go, also JavaScript, it is easy to learn compared to other programming language. So the JavaScript is very easy to learn. So I hope you should understanding what is JavaScript, what it is, and how it works, and you can create a project with JavaScript that it is more responsive and user friendly to interact. So I'm opening this. You may be asking why study JavaScript? Well, JavaScript is one of the C language all web developer must be learn. So in order to be good web developer, the most important should know these three language. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML was being used to define a content of the web page. For example, you are using some tags element in order to show the content. For example, here as you can see, there's a picture, there's the content. All of this is HTML. Another one it is, when you see another one, it is CSS. CSS is used to specify the layout of the web page. Also, CSS is used to style HTML document. So as you can see here, I'm going to with the example in order to understand it. As you can see, there's many styling going on here. It is a nav bar. All of this is developed by CSS on styling to make color like this. You see it is bold compared to this, etc. and etc. Or to deposit an image like this to look like a square. All done, you see a CSS. Another one it is a JavaScript. So most important to choose a good developer must study a JavaScript, because in order to user friendly, when a client review our website that is being created, if there is most of the JavaScript, the client they help to get a contact in a real time before waiting. For example, let me give you in form of any reality. As you can see here, when you click, there was not loading the web page like we click this. You know, they don't refresh at all. But when you click, you get a contact without refreshing. This it is more faster compared to the linking by using href like this. Let me show you this example in order to be understanding what I'm talking about. For example, here, when you are linking, you can see you are linking with a tag like this. So here specify a folder where I should go. For example, about.html. So when you are linking to go to another page, you're supposed to use like this. But when you are come to JavaScript, we use it. We are not refreshing a document. I hope you get me. For example, I click there, it brings here, and it come here only, like here. For example, when I click slider true, they don't refresh, but the content is being changed. So that was going on here. It is a JavaScript. Whereas not going to the server, but you click, you get a real time content without refreshing, without what. So that is the JavaScript. Also, most part JavaScript is being used. It is only changing HTML content or element. So when you are using JavaScript, you can change a CSS that is being designed on a HTML document. Also, JavaScript can be used to hide and show HTML content. I will show you later on. As you can see here, for example, here, when you click, you get the content, because it was hiding the first one and showing another one. Hiding the first one, shows another one. Where another one where it's being used, to me showing another. I guess it is on here. Yeah. As you can see, when you click here, it shows this content, but here was being hidden, and you click that, we hide this content and bring back another content. That is a lot of JavaScript going on here. So that it on a JavaScript, the introduction of the JavaScript. I hope you get me. if you get some question, you can leave on a comment on the comment below. I will give a solution how to fix that. So I hope to see to the another tutorial where we continue on starting coding this alert and the console. So I will see you in the next tutorial. And also don't forget to subscribe in order to get a win-win model. So you get a content, you get a tutorial, and you encourage me to create more tutorial. So thank you for listening. Hope to see you to another tutorial. Thank you.